Hello everyone, how are you all? I am fine. Today I talk about my riding in the bike. Very roidurse guys. I riding the bike in my bazar road. I go to the market, buy the something. Then I come back my home and I go to Jumma prayers. Wow, the boy very speeding riding in the bike. The weather is very গরম সামলানি যান না গরমের জ্বালায় আমার চাকাও যখন তখন বাস মেরে দিতে পারে Finally I come to my target